Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's Mako front bumper for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler. Step 1. Remove the existing front bumper according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 2. Install your fog light of choice according to the manufacturer's instructions. Replacement hardware is supplied if needed. Step 3. Slide the bumper into the vehicle's frame and screw on at least one hex nut to hold the bumper into place while you work. Next, place a flat washer, followed by a lock washer, and finally a hex nut, and secure the 8 bumper bolts with a 17mm socket. Once all the hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Mako front bumper.